Welcome back to ASB Auto Reviews, your trusted channel for exploring the latest luxury cars, performance upgrades, and high-end automotive experiences. Today, we're diving deep into something truly extraordinary, the 2026 Wald Modified Lexus LX 570. This SUV isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement of power, presence, and luxury. Wald International has taken an already legendary machine and turned it into something breathtaking, a masterpiece that combines aggressive styling with top-tier comfort and advanced performance. The Lexus LX 570 has always been a symbol of strength, durability, and prestige. But in 2026, Wald took things to the next level. The first thing you'll notice is the jaw-dropping exterior design. Wald's signature body kit transforms the LX 570 into an ultra-luxury performance SUV with a commanding presence on the road. The front fascia is completely reimagined, featuring a massive blacked-out grille, redesigned LED headlights with a sharper and sportier shape, and an aggressive front bumper that screams dominance. It's bold, powerful, and impossible to ignore. From the side profile, the lowered stance and wide body fenders give it a muscular, athletic appearance. The sleek 22-inch forged alloy wheels perfectly complement the bold character lines, while the subtle carbon fiber touches add a premium and modern flair. Moving to the rear, the new bumper design, quad exhaust system, and sculpted diffuser give the SUV a sports car-like aggression while maintaining the signature luxury silhouette of Lexus. It's the perfect mix of elegance and power, a look that commands attention. Inside, the 2026 Wald Modified Lexus LX 570 is pure luxury. The cabin has been elevated with handcrafted premium leather upholstery, brushed metal accents, and rich wood trims. The front seats are fully ventilated and heated, offering unmatched comfort for long drives. The second-row passengers enjoy first-class levels of space, while the third row folds seamlessly to offer massive cargo capacity. A new 14-inch high-definition infotainment screen dominates the dashboard, featuring an upgraded system with smart connectivity, voice control, and real-time navigation. The ambient lighting system wraps around the cabin, creating a warm and luxurious atmosphere that makes every ride special. Under the hood, the 2026 Wald LX 570 retains the iconic V8 engine, but it's now paired with enhanced tuning for sharper throttle response and improved performance. The suspension system has been recalibrated for better handling, giving the SUV a smoother yet sportier ride. Whether you're cruising through the city or hitting the open highway, the Wald LX 570 delivers effortless power and unmatched confidence. And despite its aggressive performance upgrades, it maintains the off-road capabilities the LX is famous for, making it the perfect luxury SUV for any terrain. The launch date for the 2026 Wald Modified Lexus LX 570 is officially set for mid-2026, with deliveries expected to begin shortly after. The starting price is projected to be around $145,000 USD, but depending on customization and regional market variations, it can go higher. Considering the craftsmanship, performance, and exclusivity of the Wald Edition, this pricing places it squarely in the elite SUV category. One of the most exciting things about this launch is the public reaction. When the SUV was unveiled in luxury showrooms, car enthusiasts and potential buyers were blown away. People immediately noticed the bold exterior, the powerful stance, and the unmistakable Wald design language. Social media exploded with images and videos of the SUV, with many calling it a beast in a tuxedo, powerful yet refined. Luxury SUV fans praised its road presence, aggressive front design, and the way Wald has managed to make a big SUV look sleek and sporty without losing its premium identity. The reaction from the automotive community has been overwhelmingly positive. Enthusiasts love how Wald has preserved the Lexus DNA while enhancing it with their unique styling and performance upgrades. For many, this SUV represents the perfect balance of everyday usability, comfort, and bold styling. It's not just another modified vehicle, it's a handcrafted statement piece. For those looking for something that combines luxury, performance, and exclusivity, the 2026 Wald Modified Lexus LX 570 is a top contender. It's made for those who want to stand out, for those who believe their cars should reflect their personality and taste. Whether parked in a luxury driveway or cruising through the city, this SUV will make a lasting impression. Thank you for tuning into ASB Auto Reviews, where we bring you the latest car launches, exclusive modifications, and honest impressions from the world of luxury automobiles. If you enjoyed this in-depth look at the 2026 Wald Modified Lexus LX 570, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more premium car reviews and upcoming launch coverage. Stay tuned for more reviews on the hottest vehicles hitting the market in 2026. This is ASB Auto Reviews, driving the future of automotive passion, one luxury car at a time. See you in the next video.